When Hartford 21 overhauled their HVAC system in an effort to save energy and lower operating costs, EMCOR Services New England Mechanical was ready to help. The NEMSI team constructed a new, state-of-the-art central plant for the 34-story luxury apartment building in downtown Hartford, Connecticut, working in tight urban conditions while minimizing disturbances to the building. For years, Hartford 21 had been on a steam system tied to the city's central energy loop. The energy loop was initially cost-effective, but as it aged, it became less efficient and more costly to operate. Hartford 21 decided to build their own heating and cooling plant and leave the loop. As the project was developed, NEMSI gave input, working with the client's design engineers to prepare for a unique, challenging construction process. Like any work in an urban setting, this project had to address space constraints within the facility and congestion in the surrounding area. As an added obstacle, NEMSI also needed to complete work while the building remained fully occupied and operational. Instead of constructing one large plant in a central location, mechanical equipment was housed in 3 separate areas. This created design challenges and forced NEMSI to work in tight conditions, but also allowed existing space to be utilized most effectively. NEMSI worked over weekends to bring in the chillers and new cooling towers so that rigging and necessary street closures wouldn't interrupt normal business. Multiple pieces of equipment were brought in through the sides of the building. With only an inch of clearance on each side, the boiler install required precise planning and outstanding coordination from NEMSI. To maintain climate control in the building during construction, new piping was installed over and around existing building systems while they were still running. Large pipe was brought in through a very tight area in the parking garage to reach the heat exchangers. Once existing systems were complete, NEMSI demolished the old systems. The new 3-room central plant features 2 700-ton centrifugal chillers, 9 2,500 MBH condensing boilers, and redundant heat exchangers. NEMSI also provided a cutting-edge building automation system, new electrical service, and a new cooling tower structure on the roof. Disconnecting from the energy loop will provide Hartford 21 greater control over their system, as well as built-in redundancy, but the primary benefit of the new system is improved efficiency. The new system is expected to generate roughly $1 million in annual energy savings, resulting in a 7 to 8 year projected payback for this multi-million-dollar project. In turn, those savings are calculated to offset the equivalent of nearly 2,000 metric tons of CO2. As a testament to client satisfaction, NEMSI secured a multi-year maintenance agreement with Hartford 21. A job well done.